Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I want to talk about how to get the text out of images and PDF files using that Google Drive. One of the things that you get from your Google account is one of the facets on that jewel called Google Drive. If you go to the show notes, the Google document that I've got with this title at theguycookraport.podbean.com, you can see in reading that document how you can upload a file, a PDF or an image file that's got text in it, into Google Documents, and then you right-click on that file name and say Open with Google Docs, and bazinga, you get a file back that's got the image at the top and then the text is right below it. So if you want to copy and paste the text into another environment, you've got it. Okay. Hi. The reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. Okay. It's a wrap.